far, in all the work we have done in AutoCAD, we have been working in the model space or the model window. Let's go ahead and open a new session of AutoCAD. Identify the model space tab, and beside it we'll also find layout tabs. So here I have a new session of AutoCAD, and towards the bottom here we see the model tab for the model window, which so far we have used for all our work. Let's click on Layout 1. So the layout is the quote physical unquote sheet of paper on which we are drawing our objects. The objects that were drawn in the model space. The layout is the actual product that will be printed out once we complete our drawing. The dashed line represents the edge of our paper, whereas the solid line represents the limits of the model space that are currently in view in the layout. This area provides a window from the paper space into the model space. We call this a viewport. Let's go ahead and click on the boundary of our viewport. So the viewport can be, once selected, can be moved, resized, copied, and so on and so forth. Currently, we do not have any objects drawn in our model space. Therefore, the model window in the layout appears empty. Let's return to the model space. Layouts and viewports may be manipulated from the layout ribbon. For example, if necessary, we can create new layouts. Towards the bottom, we have here the model icon. We can click on this icon to toggle back and forth between the model space and the layout space. Once we're in a layout, we can toggle back and forth between paper space and model space with the layout still active. So now we are in the model space, and note that the viewport has the solid bar to indicate that the model space is active. Notice that the coordinate system icon as well as the view toolbar appear and also indicate that we are in the model space, and we can start drawing objects directly in the model space from the layout. So for example, let's draw a line. So we'll click on line, and directly in the model space as we view it in the layout, we can draw some lines. Let's go back into the model space to confirm that the lines have been drawn. Let's go back to our layout. In the layout, with our model window active, let's click on the layout ribbon. Let's notice now that we have additional tools that are available to us to work in and manipulate the layout. Let's also right-click on the Layout tab, and notice that we have a number of tools and functionality available to us to work on our drawing from the menu. Now we can add as many layouts as needed to our drawing file. This would be analogous to creating a book with many pages, the layouts being the numerous pages of the book. Each layout can be given its own viewport or viewports, its own views. We can draw different objects into different views and viewports. We can import blocks into the various views and viewports on the various layouts that we create.